Hi, in front of me is CAVION Base 5.0 and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. First of all, go into menu and locate clock. Then you need to select alarm at the bottom left corner over here and tap on the red plus icon. Now set up an hour, and when you're done, choose OK. Now you can click on Vibrate to disable or enable vibrations and tap on Label. Label your alarm however you wish to, and when you're done, click OK. Now you can click on Repeat and select days of the week. When you're done, click on this bell icon over here and pick one of these melodies as your alarm sound by clicking on the chosen one and going back. But you can also click on Add New and pick music from your device. Then go back and click on this icon over here. As you can see, my alarm was successfully added. If you want to turn it off completely, tap on the switcher next to it. You can turn it back on the same way. If you want to delete it, click on this icon at the bottom right corner and choose delete. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!